Now you have the full flow here. What you need to do is check if everything's good to go. So let's start from the beginning. Press play. I could scroll on it, click on the fav buttons, that works. Look at the product page. I'll add it to the cart, that works. And I could say view cart, it goes to the cart page. I click on checkout. I cannot press the login button, but I could say continue as guest. I see the delivery address, click on the name and it fills it, goes to the credit card or pay friend option, to the summary. Maybe I go back. Okay, I didn't link the back button, but let's go forward and say pay. It gives me a loader. Then you're at the end of the page, and then you're back at the product list page. So you have identified some problems here, and you could just start fixing them. Let's look at the back button here. So this is a bit of a trade-off that you might have. You would select credit card or pay friend, but you see that the summary page has pay friend selected. Now, there's various methods to solve this. You could create another page like so. I copied it and say this one is for credit card. Now the back button would go to the credit card selected prototype, and this one goes to the pay friend one, and you could say that this goes to which the pay friend is the option selected, and I'm gonna correct this that it goes to the other summary page which has credit card. So it gets a bit more complicated, but like so you would always test your prototype out and find maybe some problems and try to fix them. So I select pay friend or credit card. If I go to the summary, I have credit card selected. If I go back, I still have credit card selected here. Pay friend is selected. To summary page, pay friend is selected. If I go back, pay friend is still selected. There's more things you can do, but let's stop here. I think it's good enough just to do slight testing, and as you progress more, you will try to make it into a more realistic prototype. If you want to see more content like this, please support the channel and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.